Okay, here I am in Drew Harbor, Water Island, and we're paddling at 4.3 miles an hour. Step it up to 5. That's 5 miles an hour.